Awesome ideas for really lazy people. Have you ever felt that your bed has some sort of magnet that keeps pulling your body back to sleep? There are just days when we want to take a day off, slack on the couch, and binge watch our favorite shows. And we bet that happens more often during this quarantine. You're probably even watching this video while laying down? Hahaha. Welcome to cleverside, your daily dose of the most exciting information with just a click. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so you'll be the first to see our latest videos. If you're already a member, welcome back. Who doesn't like to live the carefree, energy-saving life? Sadly, we have chores to do, and time is passing, and it can feel like a never-ending routine. Well, stress no more, because you're in for a treat. In this video, we've compiled the best and smartest hacks for the laziest people out there. Make sure to watch until the end, because we got some really great ideas for you. Number 10. Use the shower as your steamer instead of reaching for the iron. Let's face it, ironing our clothes is a really boring task. Still, we have to do it, because we wouldn't want to go out in public with wrinkled pants or show up to a business meeting with a wrinkled dress shirt. But just because you have to do it doesn't mean you have to actually do it. When you're up for a hot shower, hang your clothes outside the curtains or shower door and let the steam do its job. The steam will remove the wrinkles and voila, a nice wrinkle-free outfit ready for the day. If you think that's genius, wait until you see the rest of this video, because we definitely have more in store for you. Number 9. Morning head caps. You finally woke up to your alarm that's been buzzing for some time now. Your sleepy hands reach the clock, and the moment your eyes land on it, your eyes widened. You're running late. So you quickly jumped out of bed, grabbed your towel, and went straight for your bathroom for a shower. The longest thing you probably have to do is fixing your hair. It's a good thing you have the morning head cap. Simply throw this cap on your wet hair and see the magic happen. It styles your hair in seconds. It's literally genius, easy to use, and is perfect for people who shower at night. If you ride motorcycles or wear hats, this will be a solution to getting your hair looking fabulous with the least amount of work possible. Number 8. Pre-make your breakfast. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Yet, it's also what most people skip, especially if they wake up late, or just simply a lazy morning person. So avoid the hassle of a hungry stomach by preparing your breakfast the night before. You can pre-make a packed breakfast, so you can just grab it and go in the morning. Just remember to make sure you put it in the fridge, so you won't have to deal with spoiled food the next day. Number 7. Pick out your outfit the night before. If you can pre-make your breakfast, you can also plan your clothes. Choosing what to wear can be tedious and take up some time. So doing a little bit of planning at night will make things easier for you, lazy friend. It can help you make use of the clothes you maybe haven't worn in a while, and also encourage you to put together more outfits you love. Number 6. Cut a cake with dental floss. Why bother washing a knife when dental floss will give you a cleaner, easier cut? It's efficient, simple, and will save you some time in washing the dishes. Oh, and you won't have to deal with the anxiety we get when we're washing knives. You know, the fear of cutting your fingers or accidentally stabbing yourself. Number 5. Makeshift chip bowl. Let's be honest here. If you're watching life hacks for lazy people, chances are you won't mind a little butter on your grungy hoodie. Wear your sweatshirt backwards and pour some popcorn and chips on the hoodie, and you have an instant bowl. Plus, the smell of snacks right under your nose will keep you going. Again, we're cutting back some time on dishwashing. Number 4. Sleep in your gym clothes. Here's another one for the not-so-morning people. You can still stick to your New Year's resolution of becoming fit and active, even if you struggle to get out of bed in the morning. If you wake up and are already in gym clothes, that gives you one less excuse to be lazy, and also forces you to take responsibility for your promises. Besides, gym clothes are snuggly and warm, so they're more comfortable than you may think to sleep in. If you have tried this, let us know. And if not, try it out and let us know what you think in the comments. Number 3. Use a bottle of Coke to clean your toilet. Okay, nobody likes oddly stained toilets, from pee or, the number 2 sitting in the toilet too long. Let this hack save you some time and money from cleaning solutions. Pour a can of Coke in your toilet and let it sit for a while. All the acid in the drink will get rid of the stains with just a flush. Trust us, it works. Number 2. Bedside charger. We all know the struggle of not reaching your charger from your bed, and our number 2 hack can easily fix this by taking a paper clip and some tape. Fold the tape so it is sticky on both sides. Then, you can stick it to the paper clip and stick it beside your bed. Put the charger through it and boom, you're good to go. Number 1. Get away with not washing the dishes. Down to our last spot is our favorite genius hack. You don't have to wash the dishes if there are no dishes to wash, right? So wrap your bowls or plates in cling film. Eat and voila! You just finished a meal without getting your plates dirty. Simply dispose of the used cling film in the trash and you're good to go. It's a simple, easy, genius hack and something all lazy people should do. Now we can all agree that this hack deserves the number 1 spot on this list. Well, there you have it. Which hack is your favorite? Have you been doing any of the tricks in this list? Let us know in the comments section below. If this video left you in awe, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It shows us your love and support. Here are some of our other videos you might like also. Thanks for watching and see you next time.